guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to hop on here really quick and I wanted to talk to you guys about something that you want to try to start thinking about now, if you haven't already, and that is Christmas. Yes, you guys, we're almost at the 6-month mark for Christmas, and that 6 months is gonna fly. I mean, the Dollar Tree already has fall stuff, so Christmas seriously is gonna be here before you know it. And if you guys are not utilizing rebate apps to pay for your Christmas, you need to start right now. So I received an email from Fetch Rewards, and they're doing a 3,000 point booster for referrals. So if you are not already a member of Fetch Rewards, you need to sign up with my referral code below, because when you sign up, you're going to get a free 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $3. And anyone that signs up with your referral code this weekend, you will receive a 3,000 bonus. So if you are not signed up for Fetch Rewards yet, you need to. All you do is you scan your grocery receipts. I have a video all about how to use Fetch Rewards. I have a video all about rebate apps. I will link both of those in the description box. All you do is you upload your grocery receipts and you earn points for everything that you buy. And then those points turn into gift cards, which you could start saving for Christmas. Also, a rebate app you really need to be utilizing is Ibotta. Ibotta is fantastic, you guys. If you are not signed up with Ibotta, after you download Fetch, you need to sign up for Ibotta, because every single week they always at least have a 25-cent cash back on anything that you purchase grocery-wise. So every single week you can get at least 25 cents. And when you sign up for your when you submit your first rebate on Ibotta, you get a free $10 with the referral code below. So definitely sign up for Ibotta. Another one that you really should be utilizing is Saving Star, because what I like about Saving Star is you can link your extra care card. So CVS you can link, Walgreens I don't think you can link, Harris Teeter you can. There's a few grocery stores that you can. You just have to check Saving Star to see what loyalty cards you can just link to your app, and then it just syncs with your extra care card. I know Target you have to physically submit your receipts. Albertsons I have to physically submit my receipts, and I think Walgreens you do as well. I think with Walmart all you do is scan the barcode, I think. I'm not sure because I don't shop at Walmart all that often. But Saving Star is another one that you really should be utilizing in terms of couponing rebates. I'm kind of getting back into Checkout 51, but that is another one that you should be utilizing as well. So there are 4 rebate apps out there that you could be utilizing to earn free cash, which then you could turn into how you're gonna have a debt-free Christmas, because Christmas is so freaking expensive, guys. So let the rebate apps pay for your Christmas. And something else you need to be signing up for is Ebates. Holy crap, I was so late to the game with Ebates. I think I signed up for Ebates I think a year and a half ago, but since then, if I'm buying anything online, I automatically click my Ebates icon on my toolbar and I earn cash back, and then you get cashed out every four times a year, I think it is. And they do it for like travel too. So if you're getting making travel arrangements for airfare or a hotel, renting cars, like check Ebates and see, because when Chris and I had booked flights to visit home when we were still living in Virginia, we racked up so many points using Ebates for cash back. So definitely check Ebates before you're going to make any type of travel plans. Back to school time, I know JCPenney has a ridiculously high cash back this weekend. I think it's like 9%. So just hop on Ebates and check to see the cash back for all the stores that you are considering to shop at online. So I'll have Ebates below if you guys want to sign up for that as well. You guys, you need to let these cashback rebates pay for your Christmas, because like I've said, Christmas is so freaking expensive. Even if you don't have kids, Christmas is expensive. So now is the time of year that you need to really start thinking about Christmas, because the retailers are already getting you to spend money. So you're seeing, you know, semi-annual sale here, semi-annual sale there, anniversary sale. Target has their huge toy clearance. Like, retailers are trying to get you to spend money right now. They're trying to get you to start thinking about Christmas. And truth be told, we should be starting to think about Christmas, because it is a very expensive time of year. So if you have multiple kids, if you have a lot in your family that you purchase for, you guys need to start thinking about Christmas now. So download those apps, earn your cash back, and let Ibotta and Fetch and Ebates, let them pay for your Christmas so it's not coming out of your pocket. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and this little motivation to really start utilizing those cashback apps and help them pay for your Christmases and birthdays and all of that fun stuff. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.